Hello friends, once again welcome to bsvtrainings.com. My name is Sumit and I'm a subject matter expert in R programming. In this video I'm going to tell you how to trend the NAV of a mutual fund by using R and how to present the linear presentation by using a line chart in R. So first of all, let me give you a quick overview of NAV, what exactly NAV is. NAV is nothing, it's net asset value, and it's just a single unit of mutual funds, and it is calculated by dividing the total value of all securities in its portfolio less any liabilities by the number of fund share outstanding. So for this video I have visited a website personalfn.com, and here I'm looking for a plan. I'm going to visualize Reliance Growth Fund Institution plan through our programming. So I would like to visualize this. So for the last 5 years NAV, I would like to present it through a line chart. I would like to see the trend, how the NAVs are growing up or down year by year within last 5 years. So for this, I've already downloaded the data set, export to the Excel for the last 5 years data, and that's the last 5 years data. As you can see, it's from till 31st May 2016, from the 1st January 2011. So it's almost last 5 years of data, 3rd of January. And I saved it in a CSV formatted file named as Reliance Growth Fund NAV. Now for visualization, we need to import some packages and libraries in R. So let's see how to trend it. So the first package which I need to install it, that is install.packages, and the package name is Lubridate. Second package which is required is ggplot2, and the final package which is required is grid. So after successful installation of these 3 packages, I just set the libraries, library, Lubridate, library, ggplot2, library, grid, and then I done it. Next, I'm going to load the data from this file, Reliance Growth Fund NAV. So for this, I write Reliance NAV and read.csv D drive. It's Reliance Growth Fund NAV. So Reliance Growth Fund NA Fund NA dot CSV, and I want to hide the header. If there are any headers, I want to hide it. So I set header is equal to false. So let me run it. You can see there are around 1213 observations of 2 variables. So there are around 1230 rows with 2 variables. Next, I would like to assign names to the headings. So you can see the headers, we have removed the headers, and now instead of V1 and V2, I would like to rename them. So to rename the headers, I write names function Reliance NAV, and C names, the first column is date, second column is NAV. and run. Let's have a look. Reliance NAV, RELIANCE, sorry for the spelling mistake, Reliance NAV, and it's done. And you can see the heading has been changed with the proper headers, date and NAV. Next, I'm going to use a function named as DMY. That DMY function is to format the date in a desired format, in a specific format for data formatting. So I use that function Reliance NAV dollar date. Format is DMY, date, month, year, Reliance NAV dollar date. So the date will format, and if any error occurs, it will throw any error message. But as you can see here, there is no error. It means the formatting has been done successfully. The required format for the chart has been done. Now finally, we are going to start plotting the chart. So for that, I'm going to use ggplot function. So I write p ggplot. The data will be coming from Reliance NAV. Axis, on x-axis, I want to place date. On y-axis, I want to place NAV. Then I want to place it on bar, so in line chart. So GEOM underscore line. So I'm going. Let's use this function. I'm using this function GEOM.line to display a line chart. It connects the observation in the order in which they appears in the data.GEOM line. So it will appear. It will appears in a proper order. Column is equal to color is equal to red. It's in red color. Line type is equal to 1 plus set the title for this, set title NAV of Reliance Mutual Fund plus set the X label. So X labels trading dates plus Y label net asset values plus I set the theme as I set plot dot title is equal to element underscore text, and I set line height is equal to 0.8 comma face equal to bold. Let's run the code and test it. So as soon as I select and run the code, you can see the trends are appearing in the form of line, and I have set the line type as 1, so we can use different type of lines. Like if I set 2 and then run it, so the line will change. You can see it's a different kind of line presentation. So it depends on the requirement. It depends on the what type of presentation you would like to see, you would like to provide. And if you want, we can zoom it. So you can see the trends are showing that in the 2012 NAV value is this much, in 2014 and 2016 is growing up. So this help us to analyze the data that the NAV of Reliance is going up or going down, or day wise what's the trend of Reliance Mutual Fund, year wise as well as day wise on the specific dates or within a specific years. We have an option to export or save as PDF or copy to clipboard and paste in somewhere else, or we can save it as a PDF and then we can send it attach as an email. So that's all in this video. I hope you found this video interesting and very useful. If you like this video, don't forget to press hit like button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to know more on our programming. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.